Hello everybody, here is a video on how you add decimals. Hope you will like this video. So if we look at 13.72 plus 2.089. Now, so bear in mind, this first decimal has 2 decimal places, while the other decimal has 3 decimal places. So if we add the decimals together, it's going to look something like this. Now I should add another 0 so that it makes the first decimal to have 3 decimal places. So if I add this to 2.089, and what I'll do is I'll do from the furthest right, which is the ones place value. I'll take 0 plus 9, which gives me 9. If I take 2 plus 8, that gives me 10. And I'll bring the 1 up. 1 plus 7, that gives me 8. I'll keep the decimal point here. 3 plus 2, that gives me 5. And I'll put the 1 here. And that should be the answer for the first question. Pretty straightforward. We're going to be looking at subtracting decimals, which works very much the same as well. So if we look at 71.23, subtract 38.06. Now what I will do is, because they both have the same number of decimal places, so there isn't really much for you to add any digits to the first decimal. So I'll just directly subtract the decimals. Now we know that 3 is less than 6, so I'm going to bring another 10 from the previous number. So this becomes 1, and I'll add a 10 to this, which actually gives me 13. And I'll take 13 minus 6, that actually gives me 7. Now we know that this is 1. 1 minus 0 is just simply 1. I'll keep the decimal point here. Now in this case, 1 is less than 8, so I need to kind of borrow another 10 from the number beside it. So this becomes a 6, and now this becomes 11, because if I take 10 plus 1, that gives me 11. So 11 minus 8, that gives me 3. 6 minus 3, that gives me 3. And that really sums up a quick tutorial on adding and subtracting decimals. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Cheers!